Hello folks, welcome back to Stoic Mind Factory channel. Quick question. Ever stared at a woman and wondered, is she really into me or just being polite? You dissect her texts, replay those chats, and that mix of hope and doubt just won't quit. What if one subtle habit spilled it all? When she does this, she's already emotionally hooked. Before we dive in, hit like and subscribe. It helps me reach more guys done with guessing games and ready for real clarity. Alright, pay attention. Women rarely blurt their true feelings early. They signal them quiet, instinctive psychology, deep hints. When she's genuinely drawn, her defenses soften. You spot it in her energy shift, not words. Like emotional walls from past hurts cracking open, she reveals her real self, piece by piece, often unaware. The big guy mistake chasing declarations over patterns. Her attraction leaks through micro-behaviors, mirroring your tone, matching rhythm, echoing phrases, subconscious sync, a brain cue of connection. When that hits, she's aligning her nervous system, feels safe. Think safety isn't just physical, it's emotional attunement. Freer laughs, soft, steady eye contact, unprompted personal shares. She's attached deeply. Her guards slipping, that's where dudes fumble, rushing validation or pulling back in doubt. Truth. Once she sinks emotionally, she's chosen you inside. She might deny it, but deep down, this guy's different. Spot those signs before you chase them away. Master it, and connecting with women changes forever. Raw truth guys kill sparks, not from her fading interest, but mishandling that fragile flicker. When she catches feelings, it scares her. She resists. Attraction's no choice, it's surrender. Sparking with your balanced strength, stability, and unpredictability. That lean in closer than needed lingering post-chat, or gaze a beat too long. She's testing, not do you like me, but can you stay grounded so I drop shields? Women don't fall for predictable guys. They fall for the felt ones. Most trip over sharing, proving nice guy status. To her gut, that's instability. You're earning what's freely given. Spark dies on sensed need. She craves security in your composure amid mood swings. As interest deepens, she turns transparent subtly, excuses to interact. Pointless questions, playful challenges, not random subconscious invite to intimacy. Meet with calm confidence, no arrogance, no ice, and she feels seen. Bonds build on consistent presence, not intensity. No hard chase, center yourself as she steps closer. Women fall for your silent vibe. Quiet sureness, anchored pause. It's instinct fuel, not validation, your rock. When she offers energy, attention, softness, don't smother. Let it breathe. That spark to lasting link. Brutal honesty. You can't make her love you. Become the man her emotions trust. Real pull. Emotional gravity from calm, masculine certainty. When she's in skip gestures, she wants grounded presence. Tone eyes, silences speak deeper. If attentive, she's scanning. Can he hold my emotions without cracking? Yes. Attraction amps. No energy shifts with hers. Instinct retreats. Women test grit, not brawn, but containment. Teases, probes, post-warmth distance. Confirmation you're not fragile. Panic and chase wrong. Breathe, stay grounded, she returns. Sensing your worth isn't approval tied, you're her anchor. She opens intimate stories, softened tone, mirroring chill. That's bonding. I trust you with my truth. Trust turns attraction to attachment. Your mind presence lingering on your calm feel. Secret. Win her heart, mastering yours. Deeper locked in behavior paradoxes. Colder pulls, erratic flips. She's shielding vulnerability, scars terrify. Reaction rules, chase with texts, over-explains. Confirms fake calm, stay steady kind. She relaxes. Core desire. Man whose center survives tests. Tied emotionally, she brews mini-storms to hold soft and chaos. Reactive, defensive, cold, desperate, fail. Ace. Listen, breathe, respond. Feminine surrenders. Presence as safety leans. Shares depths, values, lead and quiet. No performance, full investment. Don't complacent sustain via purpose growth over affection. World on her nod, polarity dies. Earn respect through steady amid swings that forges devotion. Zigzags, calibration testing strength. Stay true, she'll close in. Unwarned post-connection psych shifts profound. Mirrors, emotional rhythm, your ground peace. Chaos, unsafe, potent influence. Walls down invests unasked recalls details. Slots in routines aligns priorities. Effort flows. Challenge, deeper feels breed. Loss fear, sensitizes to distance tone silences. Attunement, not needy, feels unspoken. Calms power, consistency over perfection, timeless stability. Ties deepen or die, stay present, honest poised. Trusts, deeper affection, effortless. Take granted, insecurity, retreats, safe love fades, leave trigger. Inner peace, ultimate draw. Spot effort softening, voice shift surrender. Won her core, guard the calm. Truth-splitting keepers, sustain respect, not attention. Gut scans, he real-aligned words, energy, actions. Safe love, break walls up. Yield huge shapes her world moods to yours. Self-check anchor or storm for love. Earn trust, become lingering environment. Discipline, root in drive, passion principle. Tests lasting strength, calm leadership, no ego. Sinks deeper spots, rare embodies respect. Vulnerability quiets tone, softens emotions unfold. Got her, hold integrity, strength as being. Women stay for home peace, be it guard grow master calm, unforgettable. If these cues resonated, drop your aha in comments. I read everyone. For more on drawing women deep, subscribe and bell on. Let's decode together.